Okay, so I've just got my Accu Stand Pro Event Table 2. It's just arrived from Tomo. So I'm going to get my knife in, put all the tape. Ooh, exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. I'm so excited.
First thing you see, we've got a couple of bars. Those down. You can see the table there.
Ooh, nice.
Let's keep that nice and clean. No damages. It's all good. Take the black part. The table.
That table looks so small. Is it squishy?
I don't know. It looks bent.
Really? It looks like your handprints are on it.
It's definitely not straight. It's bent.
You
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
So that's not straight.
Oh, yeah.
That's great for a start, isn't it?
Hope people don't like that.
Right. This is about 18 kilos.
Is it heavy?
Should be heavy. Get one part out.
Oh my god, that's amazing. What is that? Are you gonna set it up? You gonna set it up for me to do some DJ? I want some music, bro. Dad, do you have your DJ thing here?
No, darling.
Where is it?
Alright, let's sort of see it upside down.
Dad, it's upside down.
Go that way.
Are you sure?
Okay. This one.
There's two of them?
It's supposed to go like this. Can you watching me? Don't pretend, I need you to make sure that I'm on the camera.
You are on the camera. You look awesome. Can you help? Duck. Okay,
It's coming together okay?
we can only see your back. Come on, you can do it. So you're going to stand there and do some DJ and put the stand here.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
And you can go.
Okay, so that's open so it goes down.
You're moving. I can't get you.
Darling, watch the camera properly. How can you record if you can't see what you're recording?
Okay. Give me a check.
And your Uncle Malcolm is a welder.
What do you mean?
A welder, well, he gets pieces of metal and welds them together like this. But if he saw this, I think he'd be absolutely disgraced. I mean, it looks alright, but the welding looks like someone's just got some chewing gum.
Let me see.
Smudged it on.
Where?
That just looks like a bit of chewing gum, but in metal. Not too close because you can't see it.
Look, looks like chewing gum. doing them.
Right, where's my bent tabletop?
It's right there. Doesn't look bent, but when you see it, it's bent. Let's have a look. Okay, can I come in the front to have a look, please? Let's have a look.
Yeah, you can see it's not lying flat there.
Okay, wait.
Right, go back a bit.
It looks nice.
Well, it's come straight out the box as new, but it's bent.
I can do some DJ. Look, I'm do some DJ. What does that do? Does it help it keep straight?
Maybe just Velcro it down like that so it doesn't come off.
Good point. Dad, there's a screw on here.
Yeah, that's to put the front panel on.
Okay. Just saying.
Okay, right, you can stop now. That's how long it took to set up.